Alright guys, so this part of the training we're going to be looking at how to create form, our order form, where your prospect filling to place order. You understand? And don't forget, the other time we install the plugins that we'll be needing for this. Well, another plugins that I did forget to install is this form building plugin. You know, we installed WP form, but WP form is more of premium plugin. What it means is that you need to pay to have access to some features. But this particular one, it is called Smart Form. I've used this for a lot of people and it's very good. So that's the one we'll be using. So go to your plugins, add plugins, install Smart plugin. So this is it here. I've installed it and this is it. If you look by the left hand side of your screen, you see Smart plugin. I think you can see, right? So click on the Smart plugins forms and let's start building up our form. So after we build up our form, we now need to install the form in our sales page so that the customers can fill in to place order and you can as well follow up on them on the phone. Do you understand now? So we are creating our forms now, order form. After we've finished creating the order form, then we now install it on the sales page, right? So let's get started. Now on this page, you'll see after you've clicked on Smart Form, which is the plugin that we want to use, you see add new form. So if you click on add new form, it will pop up the environment where you're going to create your form, and it's loading up now, right? The page has finished loading, so it looks like this. Now if you look at the right hand side, the left hand side, you're going to see there's a template, an already arranged template for us. Look at it, holders, right? So we can just make use of the templates to reduce our stress of compiling or putting everything together afresh. You can do it yourself afresh. You can as well use the template. So let's click on template and see how the templates look. So it said order. We click on order form because that's what we want to create. And if we want to create it from scratch, then we'll pick this empty form. But if you want to use the template type, we click on this. See, as I'm hovering on it, it's telling me to preview. So let me just click on it and see how that will look if I choose it. So this is how it looks. You can see the name, the email, the phone number, the address, the city, the states, the products, the product order, the quantity, the total. So this gives you everything together to your page. So if you want this, if you like this like this, you can use this. You get it. And also you can edit it. We use it and we edit it. Do you understand now? So let's get started. Let's get started. So should we use this? Okay, let me use this. Let me use this. Let me use this. And let me just save it. You just click on save by the left corner, the green button. Click on save, then you can now start editing. Right, I'll change this form to product order form. I'll change it to product order form. That's the name of the form. Product order form. The name is I need this. So I need to format those items. I want, before they submit this form, I want every part of the field to be filled. So here now, I come to the left hand side, I click on the field I want to format, then I come to the right hand side to edit it. So here is name. Required, I want them to, when they submit, this must be filled. You get it? The value, I leave the value. Icon, click on the icon, you see the placeholder. Placeholder is something that will appear temporarily on here, that as soon as I click on it, it will disappear. Let me just put enter, you can see there, right, your name here, right? So you see it's this display here. Here the width I don't want. If you want an icon, I don't want all those paparazzi. What I just need is I need a simple phone. So that's that. Then I proceed to the next line, which is the email. If you want the email, fine. If you don't want, you leave the email, you delete it. Do you get it? You delete it. So let me just say we need that. I'll put it here. Enter your email. Enter your email address, right? Your email address, right? So that's this. Enter your email address. So I can put it at the top. I can as well put it at the placeholder. You understand? You can put it at the placeholder here. So it will be inside the box there. So here I'm going to maybe email address, just only email address there. The phone number. So I click on this to edit the phone number. It is very important. I must get their phone number so I'll be able to call. So you'll be able to call them that, okay, you placed order, we want to confirm your order, should we send it to you? You get it XYZ day. So this is it. I need that. Please enter your valid phone number or active phone number. You can change it to active phone number, right? Phone number. So that's after you've done that, then address as well. You can add delivery address. It is required. So you put in all these, the states, the country, right? So I need to edit this to Nigeria, right? So I'll come down here and edit to Nigeria, so that because Nigeria is my target market. You want to show the country. If you want to show the country, you leave this. If you don't want, you click on it. You see that the country has disappeared. If you come to the right side here, you see that it has disappeared. If you want to use the zip code, I don't want the zip code. I only want the states in Nigeria, right? To display why they're filling the form. I guess you understand that. Okay, let's proceed. This also, I want to edit this one, so I click on this. Now what I can do here is I can delete it completely. Do you get it? I can delete it completely. I can delete it completely, or I can leave it. Or this calculation, this the price, you can put it there. You might leave it. Do you understand my point now? So what I will do is I just want to build a simple order form. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, better still, let's leave it so that it looks more professional. Here, the amount, I can say this one, if you buy one, if you're buying one of the item, I can say, let's say we're selling wristwatch, right? Wristwatch, right? Wristwatch, if you buy quantity, one quantity, which is sold for, say, 25,000 naira, 25,000 naira, 25,000 this year, 25k, right? So the watch 2, copy it. So I'm going to paste it here so that it will look faster. So I give you a discount of 5,000 if you are buying 2. If you're buying 2, 2 quantity QTY, right? If you're buying 3 wristwatch 3, instead of paying 75,000, you're paying 65. You're paying 65. This is just a sample. You just put it the cost of your product. You put the cost of your product that was. So I put this one 65, right? So I put this one 45. Okay. So I say they must fill it. They must fill it. Products quantity, all right? Okay, so the value field, so that's done. The calculation, will leave that. So this is the entire thing that we want to do. Let's preview what we've done. Let's save, then let's save it. It's saving, right? It's saving. All right, we're previewing it now. So the preview is coming up. The preview is coming up. Okay, so it seems my network's a bit bad. It's still saving, and with the preview is still popping up. So that's it. It's still popping up. So let's continue with it. Now, after you've arranged how you want the order form to look, then you need to do the setting. You need to set it up. You need to do a setting on the order form. So you click on setting. From setting, you can over on this question mark description form, this display in the form list. So you can leave it you can leave it on. You can put the value there. Say wristwatch order form. That's what I'm going to put there, order form, right? Now the layout label is this, how you want the label to be arranged. So at the top, yes, theme, basic, invalid. So all this don't leave it at default. Then come to after submit button. Send a notification email. Now, after the customers have placed order, automatically the system will generate an email, and it will forward the email to your email address. So the email address you want them to you want to be receiving the mail from, you come here and you click on edit. You click on edit to enter the email that you want. So you can put it here. Send to your email. You can enter your email address. Let's say Coach Bolaji at Gmail. That's where I want this to go to. Good. So that's what I want there. Then I click send a text. This one is to test if it's going to be delivered, but there is no mail like this. There is no email like that. So after you've done that, you test your email. Also, after submission, you want to redirect them to a thank you page, right? So after they've submitted, we want them to go to our thank you page so that they can have our contact, that we can acknowledge, confirm their order for them. So we click on this. After they've submitted, we want them to go to this page. We want them to go to this page called thank you page, right? Thank you page. So we're going to create the next screen. Now we're going to create a page called thank you page, right? So after this, I get that all, then then after the submit, it will clear the form, and that's it. That's it. That's what you need to do here. Then the next thing we'll be looking at now is how to put this form out to make it appear on our sales page. That's the next thing we want to do. Alright guys, quick one. There's one thing I want to quickly show you. If you look at this, come to field under this quantity, come to field, right? Then click on the field button here, come down and change it to Naira. You can change it to the currency value of the country that I want to use. You understand it? You can change it to the currency value of the country that you are. Alright, you can as well add your own, probably the field that you want is not there. This is how to add it. Come to the field, and see here, layout, basic input, advanced, multiple choice. Let's say we want to use drop down for the quantity that we want our customers to pick, to select. So we click on it, then we drag it, so it'll be under this, right? So this is it. To put the value there, just click on it. It gives you the list of values you get. It gives you the list of values that you can put here, right? So I can just write here, select quantity, right? I want it to be required, and right here I can say quantity 1. So I can just put quantity 1 for different products like that. So after you are done, you just click save, and that's all. You click save. After you click save, then you go back to your dashboard, which we're going right now. You go to your dashboard, then you capture your short code, then you install your short code on your sales page, right? Okay.